Hey guys, my name is Maggie and today I'm going to be telling all of you guys how I made a card light up with the electric circuit. So all you have to do is, you could do this if you want to, you make a drawing and you could put some extra stars if you want to. But here's the real point. So here's some copper tape. We have the positive side and the negative side. And here's the thing that will light it up. You put some tape on half of it, because if you put the tape on all of it, it won't work. So here's the LED light's legs right here. And when the copper tape touches the circuit, it lights up. And this is what it looks like right here, right there. And that's how I made a light up card with an electric circuit.